The artwork Beaucoup Shive, Madam C.J. Walker Ain't Got Nothing on Me was one big, well-needed push. This is my first soft sculpture, and it is also my largest sculpture. During my time in grad school, the influences within my work was just making a shift into exploring Black feminist writings and theory about intersectionality, reclaiming the Black female body, and Black womanhood. Now, I am infusing ideas around Afrofuturism along with reimagining the representation of Black womanhood and Black culture. Some developments within this sculpture for me was the jump in scale and the use of materials. So for a while, I was only allowing myself to create smaller scale works, especially after grad school, due to cost of materials, lack of resources, tools, equipment, facilities, you name it. But I was still wanting to create larger works, and to a certain extent, I was able to, create some nice sized works, but it still wasn't to the capacity that I wanted to see if I could even reach those limits. And so when a Nasher Public Series opportunity came around, it was all green lights. Another way that this sculpture and the exploration of scale and space gave me an opportunity to see my work at a larger scale. These investigations in scale and space have allowed me to explore different methods of communicating with the audience, no matter how small and intimate a work is or how massive and grandiose a work can be in a space. This artwork also pushed my thought process and approach to how I fabricated and executed the artwork. Being that it was my first sculpture at this large of a scale, it was hard to create the work within my studio space because I couldn't really see it. I only had enough space to really just make it. So the big reveal is when the sculpture is actually explored in the space. Conceptually, this sculpture pushed me to go outside of my comfort zone and use my body to fall into a rhythmic weaving process to execute the piece. I was pushed to also be more intentional about the use of my materials and how I used the materials. I also had to take into consideration how I wanted the sculpture to be seen in the space. Lastly, I was also able to tap into my intentions about breaking the artwork down into just basic elements and principles of art and solely just focusing on rhythm and repetition, texture, mass, scale, space. All of those elements and principles just went into it, and it helped me to shape the piece to communicate and exist the way in which I intended it to.